Hey yo, what's up everybody, it's JJ. Today we're gonna come to a topic about trading, and after that from here this is a comparison of manual trading and of course the trading auto bot which you can find for free. So if you are interested in this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video. And before we jump into any topic, I'd like to introduce you to my Discord channel, which I'm trying to build a community with the like-minded of people to join, and after that from there we can have discussion about cryptocurrency, and who knows, you might find financial freedom if let's say, I don't know, somebody shared something and it just boom up to like, I don't know, 1000% or something like that. Of course not Ponzi or whatsoever. And of course on the group itself, if you join the group itself, just click on the thumbs up to basically read the terms and conditions, the rules, and after that click a thumbs up and you are in. And after that you can access all the channel over here, and on the channel itself you want to head over to announcement to basically catch up on what's going on, and after that what is all the lobang that is ongoing right now on the Discord channel. So if you want to, just join it using the description link down below. And right now we're going to jump into the topic of what is this auto trading bot all about. Alright, so this is the free Kucoin auto trading bot over here on their website itself, and of course I would say that it is not available on the web. Instead, it's only on the application. So if you want to sign up for Kucoin and access the trading bot itself, use the link down below. And of course, we're going to explain to you what is the trading bot, and after that, is it a artificial intelligence trading bot, or is it just a program bot? So I would say basically there's a big difference about these two, and after that we're just going to explain to you. So basically on Kucoin itself, what is the trading bot? Basically they use this grid trading thing work. So basically it's a classic grid trading. Basically let's say you're on a chart itself, where basically we are looking at this chart itself, and maybe if you're going to enter a trade itself, it's going to do an order over here at the current price. And after that, grid trading meaning every down level, like maybe every 50 cents down all the way until your stop loss limit itself, it is going to keep executing trades longs down below. And after that from there, if let's say it goes up itself, it will start to take profit. So this is like a grid trading bot, like a dollar cost average basically strategy. So every time it goes down, it is going to enter a bit, and after that from there, if it goes up, it's going to take profit. And from there, this is how the bot works on Kucoin itself. This is the auto trading bot. And of course over here they also have the leverage itself. It is using the grid trading itself. It's the same same concept. So I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit more, and after that from here let you understand how it works. So over here we are just going to draw some lines. So over here, example, this is your entry point, and after that over here, this is the grid trading. You are going to see all these lines over here on after you execute the trade. So over here, all these red lines over here, it's going to tell you that you enter this position, and from here the bot is going to hit this level, and after that go long, and another add on to another position, and another one, eventually until the last position. And from there, if let's say it is under basically got liquidated or whatsoever using the leverage trading, you will basically get liquidated and you lose money. This is how the bot works. So it's not an artificial bot. So how does artificial intelligence bot works? It's basically using a strategy to basically counter, and after that learn how does the market works, and from there it is going to basically determine the next step of the chart itself. So this is an AI trading bot. It is kind of complicated in that sense. It is not a program. So for grid trading bot itself, it is program, and after that from there you know that how it works. It's very simple. The concept, buy here, a percentage of this margin that is going to spread evenly, and after that from there you can basically enter position and exit position. This is how the classic trading bot works, the grid trading bots. For artificial intelligence itself, it is slightly different, and of course from there it consists of complicated like trading strategy / market. The AI is going to read the market and stuff like this. So on here we're going to compare I'm going to explain to you what is manual trading. Alright, so for manual trading bot itself, it's very simple to understand what is manual trading. Basically you know the knowledge and you know how to see support resistance line, and after that from there you enter trades over here. And of course this is my history of trading. I'm just going to show you the later on my result on trading, and of course on the Kucoin auto trading bot. So right now I'm just going to tell you that manual trading bot itself is heading over to the interface, and after that from there entering the price, and after that from there you can enter into position and of course exit position on the limit order with the take profit and stop loss condition. So if you want to do manual trading bot itself, you have to know some knowledge first, basically learning what is this limit order called, and after that market order, and after that what is long, what is short, and from there what is this post only, reduce, and after many more stuff that you need to know. So comparing it with the Kucoin auto trading bot itself, on the Kucoin trading bot itself, you do not need to have knowledge, to be honest. You just need to know how to set it up, enter a few numbers, and after that you are good to go and you are trading. And of course right now we are going to talk about the results on this manual trading that I have done. Alright, so over here I have my trading journals, basically a trading thing that I've done. So basically over here you can see I started trading on the 4th of October, and after that I started with $1,000, and right now we can see the PNL is actually 400 plus. Because on the mid of this itself, I stopped using OKX, and after that I moved over to Phemex, and from there we know that this over here, this this realized profit itself, it is $200 over through OKX, and after that over here on Phemex itself, I generated another $200 over for the month of October. And of course, to be honest, the revenue that I've generated from this trading itself manually has been like, I would say 1,400. Basically, I profited off around $400. And of course, on November itself, I started with this, and after that, the position has recently closed, and I've made some money. So over here, I can show you my total portfolio right now on Phemex. So over here, I can just head over to my wallet asset. So over here, you can see the total asset right now. It is valued at almost $2,000. So I almost made a double of my money, $2,000 of my money. And after that, over here, this is manual trading. And of course, I would say to achieve this itself, I would say it's 100% in a month itself, and I would say that you need to be I'm not really professional, but of course sometimes it is luck on your side. And of course I would say that yeah, basically I entered in at the correct time, and I went through the correct position because everything is going up. And of course during a small correction itself, I know where to buy, and after that from there I know where to take profit, of course accordingly. And of course for this I have not set any stop loss because it is moving like I would say it's not very volatile for a coin. And after that, I would say right now we're gonna talk about the results on Kucoin Auto trading bot. Alright, so over here we can see that this interface itself is the Kucoin trading bot. If you sign up for Kucoin itself, you will be able to see it. So over here on the interface itself, on the mobile application, just click on this over here, trading bot, and after that from there you will be redirected to the trading bot page, and I'm just going to show you the result, the historical result that I've done. So over here, these are the recent one that I've done on, also started on October. So over here we can see I started on October here, and after that here, basically 3 positions that I've already closed. And of course I would say my initial capital is around $500 only, and of course I have generated like how much is this? I do not know, 30, 20, and after then around $70 of this trading bot itself. And after that I still have one that is still running, which is over here on XRP. And of course from here, how does this grid works itself is very simple. You can see the grid profit, floating PNL. Basically floating PNL is a position that is ongoing and it has not been closed. And after that, for the funding fee, you can see I already paid almost $20 over for the funding fee to keep my position up. And of course you can see the current price of the XRP of the token, and after that the entry price, and after that the APR. So over here this is showing 100%, and of course we can see the price range. Basically this is the algorithm, I mean not the algorithm, but of course the condition that you want to put in before you start on this trading board itself. And of course the long is ×4, and after that I'm just going to teach you how to set it up, and after that from there I'm going to give you my own opinion on this. And right now we are going to do a guide on how to set up. Before that, we're just going to look at a profit. So over here we can see 7 days profit around $50 over, and after that the 90 days, yeah, almost $95 of this trading bot itself. And after that I would say that historical wise, yeah, not so bad. I have been using it for quite some time. And after that, this is the official one that I've done on the month of October to basically compare it with my manual trading. And of course I'm just going to tell you the opinions later. So right now we're going to teach you how do you set it up. So how do you set up is very simple. First of all, you need to have US dollar, if not some other money. So once you have already deposited your funds, just click on transfer. And after that, the next thing you want to do is to click on US Tether, and after that from here just choose it to your trading account and confirm it. And after that, the next thing is head back to the trading bot over here, click on it, and after that from there we can see you are redirected to this page. And of course over here there's a little bit more option for you to choose. So you can choose the spot grid trading, and after that the futures trading, and of course you can use the smart rebalancing, whatever strategy that you want to go for. So for my case, I'm using the futures grid because I'm comparing basically manual trading on futures and of course on trading bot itself. So I'm just going to use the grid futures. So over here this is the all the trading pair, and after that this is the leaderboard that people is earning, basically the percentage. And after that you can see it's a long 5 times, and after that the duration of the running time, and you can see the APR itself is crazy. And after that we can see create. Once you want to create an account, just create, and after that over here you can choose the trading pair that you want to. Over here the AI parameters, over here let's say you want to trade on FTM. And after that over here we can see that you can use the customization. If not, use the AI parameter. Basically this already default settings. They're gonna just enter everything for you. The thing that you need to do is just to enter how much money that you want to put in. So over here we have to know that the minimum for this trading bot itself, it is 161 for long, and after that for short is 164 US dollar. And you will need to have balance on your trading account that I've done at the first step to basically transfer your funds and stuff like this. So over here we are just going to basically try a number. So over here we can see once you have entered the number over here, and we can see the liquidation price for this parameter itself is around 4 point something if we are going short. And if we, let's say we go long itself, the liquidation price is showing as 57 cents. And after that, if let's say the price hit over to 57 cents, basically your whole position, your whole trading board itself is going to close, and after that from there you can't do much, you basically lose money. So over here on advanced setting itself, you can use the stop price, take profit price, and entry price. So if let's say you do not want to start the trading board right now, you can set it to like $2.60 just by enabling the entry price over here, and after that just type in $2.60, and after that over here you are done, you are good to go. And after that, if let's say you are if you want to do a customization itself, you can do it as well. And over here we can see the market sentimental. Basically over here is telling you that long is 89% and short is 11%. And of course over here you can choose the price range, and of course you can select your leverage up to 5 times on their trading algorithm board. And after that over here you can choose the hunt. Okay, so basically what does this number of place order means? Basically the more that you enter itself, the more money you need to have. Basically it's going to enter 100 of orders down the price itself. And after that from there we are just going to do it, for example, so over here is more than 2.22, so I'm just going to put it at $3. And after that from here you can see the minimum is to have is $55. If let's say we reduce the number over here to 10, basically you can see the minimum is $50. So over here we can see that one lot is equals to 1 FTM. So over here the more number, the more order is placed, basically if let's say you have more orders itself, you can basically execute much more position, and from there you can profit even more. So over here we're gonna do an opinion on this trading board itself. So over here I would say for the trading board itself, it is a very simple grid trading board itself, and after that I would say that there's no harm trying, and of course only invest in the funds that you are able to lose, I would say. So it's not a guarantee win on this auto trading board itself. It is a how I put it, basically a feature done by Kucoin, and after that from there they are trying to get people to trade on the platform. And after that I would say that this trading board itself is quite simple to use, and it is very simple to understand. And how do you earn money from there? It's very simple. Every time the price will go lower down a bit, it's going to enter some position, and after that from there the price is going to rebound. So once it rebounds upwards or whatsoever, it's going to take profit. And from there, if let's say the price did not go up, it keep going down, basically if you keep going down, you're going to lose more money, and eventually you're going to lose the initial capital that you put in if let's say it got liquidated or somehow and you didn't put a stop loss. So I would say that for that trading board itself, it is very simple. And after that I would say beginner friendly. If let's say you're really new to trading, you want to get some money rolling or whatsoever, I would say that basically using the Kucoin trading board itself, you can earn some money over there, and of course you can lose some money. And for the manual trading board itself, I would say that you need to learn and of course have experience over it, and after that from there you can basically execute trades, and after that make some insane gains, I would say. And after that, of course, always know that you have to put basically a stop loss. So for my case, I did not put any stop loss because I know that it is not going down yet. And of course for some of my position there, I put some stop loss over there because I know that it's going down. And of course for this itself, I'm basically this waste of money to open up for EVA. It is not moving, it is not whatsoever. I'm just paying fundings, the funding fee every 8 hours. And after that from there, I would say that if you want to basically start trading itself, either way, you can use the Kucoin Auto trading board to understand how it works. And after that from there, if you want to head over to manual trading board, you can basically let the auto trading board trade for you first, and after that you can go and learn on how to trade manually, and eventually you can use both to basically earn some money. So I've come to the end of the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye bye, peace.